Hello friends, welcome to the EnglishBit channel, English for Beginners. Today we have a special video, 4 short conversations about life in a hotel. This is perfect material for beginners. Simple phrases, everyday situations, and no complex grammar. We'll cover everything you might need on a trip. First, Conversation 1, Hotel Breakfast. You'll learn how to order breakfast at a hotel. Ask what's on the menu and politely ask for what you'd like. Very useful if you like, to start your day with a delicious coffee and a croissant. Next, Conversation 2. Problem with internet connection. That hotel Wi-Fi. Sometimes it works perfectly, and other times it's a complete disappointment. Here you'll learn how to complain about slow internet, ask for a password again, and solve a small but annoying problem. The third situation is Conversation 3, ordering a taxi. Need to leave the hotel? No problem. You'll learn how to call a taxi at reception, give the address, ask for an approximate cost, and even check how long the wait will be. And finally, Conversation 4, Hotel Checkout Problem. The longest and most realistic conversation. It covers the minibar, breakfast, unexpected charges, amenity fee, did anyone warn you? And even a minor misunderstanding about the final bill. But in the end, everything is resolved politely and calmly, just the way it should be spoken in real life.
Good evening, Lily. How was your day exploring the city?
Good evening. It was wonderful, thank you. The waterfront park was so beautiful.
I'm delighted to hear that. Did you take many photos?
Yes, quite a few. The views were amazing.
Perfect. Are you ready for dinner now?
Yes, please. I'm getting hungry again.
Great. Dinner is served in our restaurant downstairs. Would you like a table?
Yes, that sounds lovely. Is it also a buffet?
No, tonight it's à la carte. We have a menu with local specialties.
Oh, interesting. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon with fresh vegetables is very popular. Or the pasta with seafood.
The salmon sounds perfect. Can I have that?
Of course. And something to drink? We have wine, beer, soda, or water.
A glass of white wine, please.
Excellent choice. I'll reserve a table for you right away.
Thank you so much. This is my first American dinner, too.
Then enjoy every bite. Welcome again, Lily. Have a wonderful evening.
I will. Good night for now.
Good night. See you soon.
Good evening. How may I assist you?
Hi. Yes, there's a little issue in my room.
I'm sorry about that. What seems to be the problem?
The Wi-Fi isn't working at all.
Oh, that's inconvenient. May I have your room number, please?
It's 415, on the 4th floor.
Is the connection completely down, or is it very slow?
Completely down. I can't connect to anything.
I understand how frustrating that must be. Have you tried restarting the router in the room?
Yes, I unplugged it and plugged it back in a few times, but it didn't help.
All right, I'll contact our IT technician immediately.
Will someone be able to fix it tonight?
Yes, he's on duty in the hotel right now. In the meantime, would you like me to send up a mobile hotspot device?
That would be really helpful, yes.
Of course. I'll bring one to your room right away.
Good morning, sir. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. Yes, I'd like to book a taxi, please.
Certainly. Is it for immediately?
Yes, as soon as possible.
No problem. Where would you like to go?
To the airport, Terminal 3.
All right. Do you have a flight to catch?
Yes, it departs at 11:30.
It's 9:15 now. You should have plenty of time, but morning traffic can be heavy.
I hope I'll make it okay.
Don't worry. You'll be fine if the taxi arrives quickly. I'll call one right now.
Thank you very much.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, 2 suitcases and a carry-on bag.
Got it. I'll request a larger vehicle.
I'm traveling alone.
Safe travels. The taxi should be here in about 10 minutes.
That's great. May I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Please feel free to sit and relax. I'll let you know as soon as it arrives.
Good morning, madam. Checking out today?
Yes, please. Room 412.
Let me access your folio. Miss Ramirez, you were with us for 5 nights. Is that correct?
Yes. Arriving Sunday and leaving today.
Perfect. During your stay, did you use anything from the minibar?
Actually, yes. I took a soda and some nuts on Tuesday evening.
Noted. That's 1 cola and a pack of almonds, totaling $15.
Fine. That sounds accurate.
Any room service orders or restaurant charges to the room?
No room service, but I had breakfast in the hotel cafe twice and signed it to the room.
Yes, 2 continental breakfasts at $18 each. That's $36.
Okay.
Did you make any calls from the in-room phone?
No, everything was on my mobile.
Great. Your nightly rate was $150. So 5 nights come to $750. Minibar, $15. Breakfasts, $36. We also have a daily amenity fee of $25 per night for access to the spa, parking, and high-speed internet.
Amenity fee? I wasn't informed about that at check-in.
My apologies, ma'am. It's a standard charge here, and it's usually mentioned during registration and on the booking confirmation. I can waive part of it if you'd like, as a courtesy.
That would be appreciated. How much can you adjust?
I'll reduce the amenity fee by 50%. So instead of $125, it'll be $62.50.
Thank you. That's better.
Additionally, there's the local tourism tax of 12%, which applies to the room and fees subtotal.
All right. What's the new total?
Subtotal $750 room, plus $15 minibar, plus $36 breakfast, plus $62.50 amenity equals $863.50. Tax at 12% is about $103.62. Grand total, $967.12.
Higher than anticipated, but okay.
Would you like a detailed breakdown printed?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Payment method?
Visa credit card.
Please swipe or insert. Approved. Signing complete.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing our hotel, Miss Ramirez. Your receipt is here, and I've emailed a copy as well. We hope to welcome you back soon.
The stay was pleasant overall.
Safe journey home.
Goodbye.
If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Let us know in the comments which situation was most helpful for you. And be sure to subscribe, there's plenty more simple and practical English to come. Let's start! Enjoy the video and see you in the next one.